EMSU demands tough laws including death penalty against drug dealers to tackle unwanted issues at private schools and hostels in Manipur on its 54th Foundation Day. Nationwide BJP enrollment drive exceeds target in Manipur. Party enrolls 3,24,607 primary members in Manipur. And Works Minister Thongam Biswajit urges people to take care of public properties as one would care for personal belongings. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the headlines in details. All Manipur Students' Union EMSU observed its 54th Foundation Day at EMSU office in DM College campus today. EMSU President Peter Lyshram hoisted the union's flag to mark the observance. It may be recalled that EMSU came into existence on August 28, 1965, after the death of 3 students in the movement against artificial scarcity of rice on August 27, 1965. Speaking to media, EMSU President Peter Lyshram asserted that EMSU will urge the government to award death penalty to drug dealers and to lay down proper rules and guidelines for private hostels and boarding homes in the state. Citing about the recent drug holds worth over crores of rupees, Peter stressed the need to frame a stringent law with death penalty to drug smugglers and dealers to save the people of Manipur, as the state is in the international border, making it a vulnerable target for drug menace. He further urged the government to take proper measures to prevent unwanted incidents in the mushrooming private hostels and boarding homes in the state. EMSU also organized a voluntary blood donation camp along with Janims and RIMS blood banks at the event.
Mafu masakhangdraba mi lakya mangan bayaba dugumba drug sing asigi regulation adumba ekam shemaga hariba shungumba yam heavy amount da puramba haimna chingba myam sigi life imprison natraga death kumba dugumba gi yaba ek myam shemna bai dong ta khoi government da takchanna bagi haiba adugi pandam duma khoi emsuna lauzare sitana tana khoi lakadriba academic section 2020-21 dagidi private schools sing amadi boarding sing da chanagadaba rules and regulation act myam sing ado adugi policy yalaga 2020-21 session dagi chananaba adugo policy do emsuna su government da pressure piani.
BJP Manipur enrollment in charge L. Deben expressed happiness that BJP has enrolled 3,24,607 people as primary party members in Manipur, exceeding its target in the recent nationwide BJP membership drive held from July 6 to August 25th. Speaking to media at party office in Kanchipur today, L. Deben stated that 4,716 BJP workers carried out a drive at state, district and mandal levels. Deben said that he will give report on a drive to BJP central leaders in New Delhi tomorrow. He also mentioned that BJP active member enrollment drive has started in the second phase since August 25th and will continue till August 31st. Deben hoped that BJP will once again exceed its set target in a drive.
Maruoina akhona kathajakriba khoi sumba drive asi khoi party ki president Sri KS Babanda Singh, honorable chief minister khoi Sri N Biren Singh, haiba party ki leader Singh si guidance makhada khoi sangathan mantri laijiba khoi ki Sri Premananda Maitei andagi party ki laijiba general secretary Singh Kari Singh office bear myam si ki guidance makhada moi myam gi matenga loinana mai pangna pangthokkiba sumba khoi drive khoi sumba parba sumba khoi festival asida praja myamna sosok pibidna khoi masing yamna ming chanbi rakpagi damukta Manipur ki praja section ko demoi chili nawi maibel chhatra chhatri punamupu Bharatiya Janata Party ki merke dagi amukka hanna ai mayam buthaga pa phongdokjari.
BJP Manipur will give a final report after the drive ends to party election in charges on September 10th, followed by BJP organization election. Speaking to media about the same, state BJP election co-in-charge El Basanta claimed that BJP upholds the ideology of democracy, more than any other existing political parties of the country. He asserted that BJP had 11 different presidents since its formation, bearing Rajnath Singh, who was elected twice as party president. El Basanta mocked the Indian National Congress for continually electing Sonia Gandhi as its president. He assured of transparency in the upcoming fourth phase BJP organization election.
अखोई भारतीय जनता पार्टी ना अखोई कन्फेडरेशन द थाजब थमदे अखोई कंसेंसस थाजब थमी इलेक्शन नि अदुबु अखोई कंसेंसस द मैक्सिमम लेवल द अखोई पुरकनबा भारत की स्टेट खुदिमुक्ता यूनियन टेरिटोरी सिंगदा लोकल लेवल दगी नेशनल लेवल बाउ की थाक द अखोई कंसेंसस ओइना अखोई पुथोक जरगा अखोई थेंगना होना जगना अदुबु कनाउंबा एक्टिव मेंबर सिंग मरकता मिखल थेंगननिंगना मखोइनि मिखल तौनजरगे हारगसु अखोई अदुम तौहनगनी मखोई तौहलेरगा यानरगा होरे लोइना मतुंदा अखोइदा अतोप पोलिटिकल पार्टी सिंग मिखल थेंगनरो मतुंदा लेनादिबा फीलिंग से आइगा मागा भोट एमनरुरे आइगोंदा नुगाइतबा माना काखरेगबदो खो लेनादि काहौदबदना वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ओइबसु याय माना एनी पोलिटिकल दायित्व म पिरेगा अखोई पुन्ना थबक तौमिनगेने हाब
Works Minister Thongam Biswajit urged people to take care of government-sponsored public properties as one would care of personal belongings. He was speaking at the inaugural event of a newly constructed village authority office at Sanakaithil in Ukhrul district today. The office was constructed in memory of Minister's spouse Junraiwon Thongam's late father, Ngaranpam Lunghar. Minister Biswajit claimed that the BJP-led state government is more capable of initiating various developmental works as compared to the previous government. He assured to construct a community hall for the village at the earliest. Biswajit criticized that the two former chief ministers of the state from Ukhrul district failed to uplift the village. Biswajit asserted that BJP stands for equal development without any discrimination based on religion, caste or creed. PHE Minister Losi Dikho and Pungyar MLA Laishio took part in the event.
Chakoi BJP ki authority. Akoi kare ki dabakta no akoi ngasi post da BJP ki laiba post BJP ki atopo maming de kari kawe habata atappa maming kari isu laite atopo kari isu laite nungi oiba BJP ki atopo maming de development kawe. The alternative name of the BJP is development. BJP is for development for everyone in the society in our country. Ana akoi ngasi akoi mana aduni haiba akoi differentiation kari chaliti. Caste, creed, religion akoi da laite. Adana kana ko mana hai aini masi haram da yadabai palam da bagi wadabani. BJP is against the Christian, BJP is against the Muslim, BJP akari haita doesn't allow to eat beef. Who says? Who said? Who are the authority?
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam asserted that there was no infringement while obtaining PDS items from the Centre for Manipur. He lambasted MP R.K. Ranjan for taking advantage of the dispute among BJP MLAs and faking heroic actions in the media. Speaking to media at the minister's office in Old Secretariat today, the minister claimed that he has provided 83% benefits to NFSA beneficiaries since becoming CAF and PD minister. He added that the previous government provided only 65% benefits. He rebuked MP R.K. Ranjan by stating that if the MP truly cared for the people, he would have tabled the ILP, CAP, border pillar and Indo-Naga framework agreement issues in the parliament.
The MP ki thakdagi MLA ki thakda handarakpa manba moongda sarkar na isum na iseng na tawriba potsing se Manipur ki miyam da lan honna gi thawong ama satharpa se Manipur praja gi laibak thibani yamna sensitive oiba leader oheningi laipa ki issue da thabak tohningi siniyamati gehu aina house da many times masigi aseng report thamjagre ado karai da lairuno khangde ado hanjan hujik ta anoba issue ama dawna puthoraga Manipur gi praja miyam da lan honna basdi masi tawbam thokte aduga cab NPD department se laitalaira awana gi damakta the title lawnana ba mayam gi khudong chaba phangnana ba leiba department sibu ngarang pi gi statement da sendong dan bagi business gi department oina urga wangang basi tawanjaning de.
Speaking to media, CAF and PD Director Ranjan Yumnam further refuted that PDS items under NFSA were not misappropriated in any way in Manipur. He maintained that rice is the only PDS item provided regularly by the centre. He also said that sugar is provided only to AAY card holders and kerosene cannot be provided to households equipped with LPG gas and electricity connection. Hence, DCs of every district are conducting a survey to identify beneficiaries. He said that PDS items will be distributed per the survey results.
2016 dagi NFSA lakibadagi ti khoi thaibase khoi PDS ki basket ki item ama oigidre sigi scheme sigi matung ina khoi rice khitang oina khoi Manipur state sina lawkhibani sugar si khoi gi normal allocation oina with effect from March 2017 dagi di khoi kakre LPG connection leitaba amasu electricity phangdaba household khitang mak khoina SK oil sigi kanabase piu haiba Government of India guideline ama hoji akhoi issue tawbire masigi matung in a DC singna kanna hoji hairiba beneficiaries sing identification ki thabak kanna sathari aduga akhoi gi LPG connection sigi penetration si Manipur ri am wang leira demand gi matung ina khoi chingba chingdaba su yaudabadi nate adubu labs oina khoi gi department ki side gi labs oiba dereliction adugu negligence kumba oibati thokide haibasi ai thamjak.
DC Imphal West in a press release urges people of the constituency to extend full cooperation in the upcoming 7th socio-economic caste census for August, September and November, December. The DC appealed to every household to give authentic information to surveyors of the census. Special Judge ND NPS Fast Track Court Manipur S. Tara today convicted two individuals who were arrested for illegal possession of heroin number 4 inside the classroom of St. Peter's School, Thangmeiban, Sanakaitel in 2001. The court judgment order was announced in an open court today after it was kept on reserve after the final hearing of the trial case on July 25th, 2019 against the convict 38-year-old Lianpui Simte, son of Nkampu Simte from Tengnuam village, and 27-year-old Baklian Paite, son of Jomkotang Paite from Bungwal village. The court found them guilty of offences punishable under Section 21 and 29 of NDNPS Act 1985 and remanded into judicial custody from today. Sentence hearing is fixed on September 5th. It may be recalled that a team of BAPs arrested them on September 8, 2001 at around 10 a.m. acting on a tip-off that the convicts were trying to sell huge quantity of heroin number 4 powders inside the school campus. A man was found dead in a suspicious way near Paying Pangalba Community Hall under Lamsang Police Station in Imphal West District today. The deceased is 19-year-old Ningthojam Milinsan, son of Inpaiga from Paying Mayai Laikai. Sources said that a local residents found the body around 7 a.m. A team of Lamsang Police and Manipur Forensic Science team rushed to the spot and inspected the crime scene. Later, they transferred the body to Rim's mortuary for further investigations. Southeast Asia Cultural Organization (SEACO) in a press release condemned the decision to rename Imphal International Airport as Bir Tekendrojit International Airport. SEACO termed the recent State Assembly's decision as a hasty one. Indigenous Peoples Association of Kanglei Park (IPAC) also condemned the state government's decision to rename Imphal International Airport as Bir Tekendrojit International Airport without consulting the people of the state. The association stated that the name Bir Tekendrojit is not even a Manipuri language. IPAC in a press release urged the government to withdraw its decision. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on assaults on a team of Childline Taupal for handling a child marriage complaint. Keep watching. We'll be right back. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Miscreants have assaulted a team of Childline Taupal on their visit to discuss a child marriage complaint. Speaking to media at the office of Childline Taupal, member of the Childline Nepram Kennedy stated that they received a complaint on child helpline number on August 26 about an upcoming child marriage. The childline members visited the minor groom's family at Kairembikok and the minor bride's family at Wangbal the next day and appealed to them to stop the marriage until they reach eligible years. But a team led by Usham Rastam from the groom's family halted the childline members on their way home and assaulted them. Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights has strongly condemned the incident and appealed to Thoubal Police Station to register a case against the miscreants to take necessary legal actions against the miscreants. Members of Demand Committee for Speedy Completion of IRB 10th 11th recruitment in a press release warned the government that it will initiate intense citations if their written examination is not conducted within 5 days. Transporters and Drivers Council TDC President H. Ranjit expressed happiness that Office of Registrar Cooperative Societies Manipur has granted no objection certificate to TDC for registration at the societies. STA board chaired by Transport Commissioner consisting of Law and Legislative Affairs Secretary, Manipur State Transport Joint Director DIG Range 1, Transport Under Secretary PWD Superintending Engineer, Joint Director State Transport Authority and Imphal West District Transport Officer granted the no objection certificate. Speaking to media at TDC office in MG Avenue today, TDC President H. Ranjit stated that a TDC played a major role for many years as an apex body for all the drivers and transporters unions registered at Registrar Cooperative Societies Manipur under Manipur Societies Registration Act 1989. He appreciated Registrar of Registrar Cooperative Societies Manipur, Robert Singh Ketrimayom, for giving the NOC.
Official leitaba president ni haijaba samong ganga kauba nupa ama khangna asuma TDC gi jatsokpa wafam police department da haibidi DGP da haiba ranjina ran ma tawre haidana phabiu haidana TMA application nama ibaso koi thengnare haiba sigi damakta TDC na amadi Shri Hijam Ranjit na luchingba lead toba dugma TDC mai laiduna cheloi miyang gi damak Manipur praja gi damak gari wala singi damak driver singi damak yenga kanda ngasi TDC gi Ranjit H. Ranjit Singh leptuna lairi lengdana lairi samuna sakhibada huina khongbagumna khongdana dum lehoroga doba kamu ngatani TDC na maduda khoi karimta hanna tuni yengadab leite.
Members of JAC against the murder of Maibam Sanjit alias Nanao from Mongsangai Mayai Laikai carried out protest demonstration today demanding to solve the murder mystery at the earliest. Taking part in the protest meet stage at Mongsangai Mamang Laikai, JAC convener Soraisam Panthoy stated that the JAC filed several complaints to Wangoy Police Station and authorities concerned about the incident, but they have failed to take any actions till date. She urged the authorities concerned to serve justice immediately, considering the plights facing the bereaved family and pregnant wife of the deceased. It may be recalled that Maibam Sanjit died from injuries sustained in a road mishap at Hyangthang in the evening of August 23rd.
Mabu thomamiba misi uthokpiu asumba lalang la jindu khangminaraga phajna lebang mocha tana haibidi wakhan du taminaraga ko hoi accident bu kana thokninge accident thongning ba mi leite adagi kaino tongning basu leite mi haning basu leite adu soigare di soigare yamna hemirti gi ground da tagi magi nupiji uji thani pani ahamba masani uji mai nupisi yamna lejada ba haibidi nomugi sura sa ba imu yamna nungai da ba mana khoi local MLA se isa ma yaura kanda magi quarter da chale unazare lake haire parsubatus mai gi kendrani uji pau lakpide sigumba si ju local MLA
Kamakya Transport Cooperative Society Langthabal in a press release declared that transport vehicles under society will go on one-day steering wheel down strike on August 29th in solidarity to the JAC formed against the suspicious death of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School girl student. Passenger vehicles running from Hyanglam to Wahengbam Laikai also extended full support to the strike. Kuki civil society organizations have suspended their proposed More Ban on August 29th following an understanding with the Assam Rifles. Vice President of Hill Tribal Council More, PS Gangte told media that the resolution came following assurances by commanding officer of Assam Rifles, Sumit Sood, to ease the inconveniences at the meeting attended by representatives of Kuki civil society organizations, Assam Rifles and civil administration organized by DC Tengnopal, H. Rupachandra and at More Police IB around 8 a.m. today. Tengnopal SP Tej Bikramjit, SDO More, I. Dinesh Kumar and representatives of Kuki civil society organizations, mainly Hill Tribal Council More, Kuki Student Organization More, Kuki Women Union and Human Rights and members of More Youth Club attended the meet. Renowned Manipuri Nitya Guru and famous singer Nongrakpam Ramesh Chandra Datta passed away at 90 at his residence in Radha Nagar in Tripura at 5:30 last evening. Born in 1930 at Bhamutia, West Tripura, Nongrakpam Ramesh was a famous singer of Manipuri Nat Sankirtan. He was a disciplined and famous Nat Sankirtan singer Oja Yumnam Natum of Imphal, Pankaj Malik of Kolkata. Late Ramesh received many prestigious awards and felicitations from the government of Tripura, Manipuri Sahitya Parishad, Tripura and Imphal, and many other organizations. He was recently felicitated jointly by the Marup Weekly newspaper and famous Manipuri film actress Leisangthem Tontoi. Sanskar Bharati Tripura branch also felicitated him on occasion of Shraban Guru Purnima. Lamyan organization has expressed deep grief upon his demise and shared the grief of bereaved family. All Manipur Ziliarong Arts and Culture Organization, Azako, in a press release, urged people to take part in the death anniversary observance of Haipo Zadonang at Zadonang Park in Keshampat on August 29th. Union of Social Upliftment Kurai Lamlong Kaithel, a conglomerate of 25 clubs, held its 33rd Foundation Day today at Sankit Kala Sangam Hall in Kurai Lamlong. The association felicitated eminent persons in various fields and meritorious students who scored above 70% in the recent Class 10 and 12 examinations from Imphal East District in the event.
Imphal East District Somna Kanda Leiba, Kugi Maruina Kurai Sidena, Hena Concentrate Tauraga, Haudokiba Union of Social Implementing Foundation Deni, Ahambadi, Sunatangi Club, Tara Katana Pulga Sign, Attain Union Boharame, Adohuziti Tamna Tamna, Palisi Conselaga, Kugi Club Kunmangagi upon by Apex Body and Nahavitare. Adoni Aduki Foundation Day ni Hantaki Foundation Day is the Maru in Ekona target Torishi, Kogi Mangi Foundation Day Gidum normal Sanabi Adumagi Matakta, Kogi Kurai Magai Maru in a Kogi Imphal East District Laiba, Kogi music Mertagi outstanding performance Habdi, Tokai Phyllising the Zagoi they say the Dharma, the theater, the sports, the Tauriba, Matam Sangna, Kona Kambi Widuna Laba and sang heroes and heroine Hiteko.
Educational and Development Club EDC Nambol Makha Laikai held its 54th Foundation Day cum Golden Jubilee celebration at Nambol Makha Laikai Community Hall today. EDC Club felicitated its executive members and presented cash awards to students of the area who scored high marks in Class 10 and 12 examination 2019 on the occasion. One-day awareness program on management and precautionary measures against natural calamities like earthquakes and floods was held at Panchayat Resources Center, Bishnupur today. District Administration, Bishnupur and Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center jointly organized the event under North Eastern Council and EC Shillong. RSAC scientists enlightened the attendees on how to protect oneself from earthquakes and flood at the event. Kaching District Amateur Boxing Association has given a warm welcome to Yengkom Sandhyarani upon achieving a gold medal in 57 kg category of the recent World Police and Fire Game 2019 held at Chengdu in China from August 8 till 18th. Association members organized a reception program at the association office in Kaching Mayai Laikai today. A BSF constable, Sandhyarani, has bagged altogether 2 bronze medals in the state level, 5 gold, 6 silver and 5 bronze medals in the national level and 2 gold and 1 silver medals in international level boxing championships till date. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. MSU demands tough laws including death penalty against drug dealers to tackle unwanted issues at private schools and hostels in Manipur on its 54th Foundation Day. Nationwide BJP enrollment drive exceeds target in Manipur. Party enrolls 3,24,607 primary members in Manipur. And Works Minister Thongam Biswajit urges people to take care of public properties as one would care for personal belongings.